what is it? Thursday. Happy Thursday, y'all. Happy Thursday. So I'm just doing this brief live to talk about some funding mistakes that I see people making, or just some mistakes that I see people making when they trying to build business credit or they trying to get funding. So my funding specialist has been sending me stuff, and it's been wild. And it just lets me know that a lot of people just really don't understand how business credit works, how business funding works, how credit works, and what role does each of these things play with each other, literally, because we got people applying for funding with either no credit or bad credit, like just flat out. We got people applying for funding that don't have no credit, no income, and it's people that's really thinking that they only need the LLC and the EIN to, get funded. So this is me breaking down some of the myths or some of the mistakes that I see business owners making. So if you are somebody that, that's looking to become an entrepreneur, or you are an entrepreneur and you're looking to build business credit or get funding, or just looking how to leverage your life and your business and build your business into something different, or, bigger than you, then literally, I'm about to drop some gems. So first and foremost, fix your credit. I can't tell you this enough. Fix your credit. You cannot avoid credit when it comes to building business credit. When it comes to building business credit, when it comes to funding, when it comes to getting this business money, when it comes to getting anything, the only type of money that you will get without credit is going to be a grant, or it's going to be a revenue-based loan, a loan that can approve you based off of your business's performance. Not just the business credit, but your business's performance. Like, how much money does your business make a month? So if you don't have credit, you can get funded if you do have income, you got revenue, and it's trackable in your business bank account. You can get funding if you have, just personal credit and no revenue. You can get funded, but it's literally no in between. And some of my marketing in the past probably have made people think that too, because I know I post stuff like who has a LLC and an EIN and, never been funded. And people don't realize that who has the, EIN and never been funded, but you do have to have other qualifications if you're looking to get some funding. So if you're trying to get funding and you're looking to get some funding, you will need some more, you will need to meet more qualifications. So having that business set up properly is first and foremost. Having your business set up properly, making sure that you have the business bank account, because we cannot put business money in your personal account. Making sure that your credit score is at least 680. You want to be aiming for a 680 credit score. I don't care how long it take you. I don't care how long you need to dispute inaccurate or negative items. Some of you guys don't think that you have items that you can't dispute because you did do them. That does not matter. What matters is how they are reporting on your credit. Most people don't understand how items report on their credit reports. So long story short, it could be an item that you did do. It could be a collections, a repo, or anything that you really did do. But if it is not reporting 100% accurately, you can leverage and use the consumer laws to remove the items. But you have to know what the laws are. You have to know how to dispute if you are trying to leverage the consumer laws to fix your credit and remove negative items. So with that being said, if you are working your credit on your own, you do need to be getting knowledge and getting the right information so that you can be disputing properly, because it's nothing worse than wasted time and you realizing that you've been sending these dispute letters back and forth and ain't none of them working because you're not saying the right things. You don't have the right verbiage. You don't have the right information so that they could move accordingly on the report or the accounts that you are saying are inaccurate, invalid, or there's errors. So people get it mistaken, and I know some people just go to dispute and they just always just say like, this ain't math, this ain't math, this ain't math, this ain't math. But that is just not good to do. That's just not good to do. You literally want to be using what works in your favor, which is the credit law. So you don't have to scam, you have to do anything stupid, you don't have to. The laws work for you. So if people or creditors are reporting things on your credit and they reporting them wrong, or you see something wrong on there, or they're not 100% accurate, you can go dispute these things. So that's what I'm telling you. So it don't matter if you did do the account. It don't matter if the repo yours. It don't matter if the student loan is yours. But what does matter is that if it's not reporting 100% accurate, it is hurting you in one way, shape, or form. You need these accounts to be reporting accurate. If they drop the ball of reporting it accurate, get it deleted. Literally, this is what I teach in my groups. This is why I like pause that free group. This is why I have a new group. And the group that I have now, like, and even with the level of things that I'm doing, I just don't have time to waste on talking to people till they blue in the face with people who that's not going to do the work. So for the people that's going to do the work, I have the group. I have the paid group, and it's not a lot. It's only $19. I'm moving from that free group over to the minimal $19 group. For my people who are the doers, like for my people who do want to do something, like literally, I make this for you. So, but I can't decipher in my free group because I know it's so many, you know, spectators and things like that, which is cool. I don't have nothing against that. Like, it is what it is. But my next journey and the journey that I'm on is being intentional. And the more intentional I am about the people that I help, the more people that I can help. So what difference do it make if my group has 100,000 people in it? If ain't nobody doing nothing, if ain't nobody participating, I might as well have a group of 0. So that is where I'm coming from with the switch and with the change. I want people in my groups and a part of what I'm doing to be active. I want y'all to be active. I want y'all to be following the steps. I don't be just dropping shit in there for y'all to just not do it. Like, I really do this shit. I help people do things. So the information that I have is for my doers. Like, if you somebody that just been watching me for the last year, 2, 3 years, and you ain't made no action, you ain't made no progress, that's on you. And guess what? You probably about to get off my timeline because I got my team and my assistant that's taking over my page and my inboxes. They know how to go in and see who is the least interacted with. I got them going in and who the least interacted with, and they're gonna be deleting people. This ain't got nothing to do with how long I knew you, if you my friend or you not my friend. If you my friend and you get deleted, then you still my friend. This ain't that. This is business, nothing personal. So if you get deleted, it's because I got an operation to run, and I got like a system that I'm using and running to get rid of things and people and places that I just don't want to see on my timeline no more, that don't suit me. Because like literally, I'm here to help you with your business credit and funding. That is what I'm here for, and you will see me show up every day and be intentional with this. So when it comes to credit repair, I just fucked around and made the credit repair free. So if you come to me for business credit, the credit repair is free. You don't even have to pay for the credit repair. You get it for free. I throw it in there for free for 90 days. That's that, literally. So if you know that you need some credit help and you want to get started in business, or you want to build some business credit, and you know you might got some little credit issues or some type of credit issues, I'm throwing 90 days of credit repair in there. And even if you need more than 90 days, the 90 days is enough to get you going, get you a plan, and get you in the right direction, period. So I won't be just saying, oh, credit repair anymore, because I don't want to be associated with credit repair if it's not a part of a business anymore. I don't want to just do people's credit anymore. I don't want people to just be able to come to me because I do credit anymore. I want to be intentional because I'm helping people get funding, and I'm helping people get business funding. I'm helping people buy businesses, start businesses, and buy real estate. And I can't reach my goals of being able to do this if I'm constantly just doing any and everybody. So I had to channel in on the people that I wanted to serve, and that's based off of the experience of being able to service everybody. I've been able to serve everybody, from the high to the low, to the rich to the poor, literally from real estate, people with hundreds of doors to people with no doors, people that's on Section 8 to people that don't get Section 8, people that's worth millions to people that ain't millions. I've done it all. I've done every type of credit client you can think of. This is what I do. So I'm able to speak on what I'm telling you guys about. So long story short, you definitely want to make sure you're fixing your credit. You want to make sure you're getting into at least a 680, a minimum of a 680. When you register in your business, you want to make sure that you are not using your home address. If you are somebody that you use your home address when you registered your business, just know if somebody look up your business, they can come to your house. So if you piss off the wrong person, they can be at your door. So I'm telling y'all right now, if you did that, or you one of the people that did that, my business can help you do this. So the website is www.setgobiz.com. I recommend a registered agent. And what the registered agent does is that it gives you a business address, and it also gives you a direct person there to receive important business mail and any type of business mail that you're gonna receive for your business. Somebody officially is there. So some of you guys got these virtual addresses, and I was victim. I don't want to say victim, but I was once one of those people too that just had a regular virtual address without a person physically being there, things like that. So I missed letters from the IRS. I've missed letters from the state. I've missed a lot of things using a virtual address and not being able to check my mail. So with this is with the registered agent, it gives you an address and a person there to receive your mail, receive important documents, and, you know, all that fun stuff. So I do offer this as a service. It is a fee associated with it. It's a one-time fee for a year. So for a year, it's $149, and that gives you the address and access to the registered agent so that you can, you know, receive your mail back and forth and things like that. And we will use this to register your business. So if you are somebody that's looking to register your business, we have a full team ready to help you register your business. So if you need an LLC, you need an S corp, you need a corporation, or you need a partnership, or you need a nonprofit or something like any of that, we can help you. EINs, operating agreements, anything that you need to get your business set up the right way. I'm talking about the right way. We're here. And if you are somebody that started this process and you registered your business on your own, you know, you was proactive and you went out there and did what you had to do, and now you're hearing this and you're realizing that you made some mistakes, I'm here for you. We're here for you. So I am going to be dropping more and more videos that's informational like this on my YouTube, and I will be directing traffic over to my YouTube because I will be minimizing my time on Facebook. I am being very, very intentional with this year. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I will try to look over them during the day. I probably going to move this video, you know, over, but